कि ADHD एक तो है क्या, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट इज ADHD, एंड सेकेंडली एज अ पेरेंट बच्चा शरारती है, बच्चा बहुत नॉटी है, ही इज एक्सट्रीमली नॉटी, वर्सेस यस ही माइट हैव ADHD, ये रेड फ्लैग साइंस हैं। और अब मुझे किसी फॉर्मली किसी डॉक्टर के पास या किसी साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाके एक स्क्रीनिंग करानी चाहिए।
राइट। तो ऑब्वियसली मतलब जब कोई पेरेंट अगर ये ऐसे कह रहा है कि मेरा बच्चा ADHD है, तो वो एक स्टिग्मेटाइजिंग लेबल हो गया,
इट्स लेबल,
इट सेट्स अ नेगेटिव कनोटेशन।
यस,
तो वो गलत है। आप ये कहिए कि हाँ मेरा बच्चा शैतान ज़्यादा है, इज अ लिटिल हाइपर एक्टिव, नॉटी, डिफिकल्ट टू हैंडल, ऑल दोज आर ओके, बट ADHD is not merely naughtiness.
Yeah.
ADHD is a formal diagnostic disorder of the brain, which means not merely hyperactivity, it is lack of focus.
Okay.
Why the child is hyperactive? Because he is unable to focus on one task. Therefore, he shifts from one task to the other, and the speed of shifting also gradually increases with age unless treated.
Okay.
And that leads to loss of concentration, loss of grasping power. And what we see is if a child is 9, 10 years old and has not been assessed, not been evaluated for ADHD, then he is academically going backwards, right? Then we intervene because it's not merely hyperactivity. It is not just naughtiness. It is something which is impacting his brain's learning ability. And that will lay down the ground for his future endeavors in life where he will not find himself so well established. Right. So we say reading, writing, arithmetic, but we also need to know that concentration, focus, analyzing, prioritizing, these are also things which a child learns gradually as he grows up from the age of 7 years to 12 years.
Right.
And a child with ADHD will not be able to traverse that prioritizing thing. There will be impulsivity. There will be recklessness. All of that needs to be focused upon and treated.
Right.
So if you are seeing your child or any child whatsoever, neighbors, friends, relatives, who is naughty, but who is able to control himself for sustained periods of time, then it is quite possible that that is just naughtiness. The child is extremely happy, he has got friends today, he has got visitors to his house, he wants to show off his toys and other things, and he's getting excited.
Right.
It may be fine. That depends on his age, depends on how much experiences he has with other people. Right? But if suppose you find that his parents are struggling to control him, to restrain him, and if you find that the child is being reckless, or the child is constantly interrupting conversations between adults, two other, three other people, and is not listening at all, then there's an element of defiance creeping in. There's an element of lack of being able to control his own impulses. Then we would say that just get to a psychiatrist, get a formal evaluation, right? And in this also is academic failures as well. So what I always suggest is to the person who's bringing his child to the first time, bring the classwork copies.
Right.
I often see mistakes in classwork.
Oh, okay.
Children are not able to keep up.
Okay.
So the teacher has written something on board, they're supposed to copy it down.
Right.
They're not able to copy it down completely. The bell rings, teacher leaves, the new teacher comes in and they're still writing, and the new teacher will wipe out the board.
Yes.
That's it. So he misses on classwork. Similarly in homework.
Right.
Most parents will say it's a struggle to get him to sit for do homework. If he doesn't do classwork, if he doesn't do homework, then he will fall below the other children of his own age and class. That is why ADHD needs to be treated.
Right. And like you said कि अगर वो treat नहीं होता है, if it doesn't get treated in time, it only deteriorates from there. Right.
Further. Yeah.
Right. I mean, that you said all of these things, and I was thinking, I was also like thinking कि कौन है ऐसे लोग जिनको मैं जानता हूँ जिसमें ऐसा, and I realized a lot of my friends of my age, and even to some extent me also, we share these qualities of, you know, little bit of uh, uh, hyperactivity or impulsivity or lack of focus. But we don't call this ADHD, right?
Yeah.
And why don't we call this ADHD? I mean, क्योंकि ये हमारी life को impair नहीं कर रहे. Is that right? Would that be a right thing to say?
That is one big key parameter.
Okay.
कि disruptions नहीं हो रहे,
Right.
मेरी लाइफ में मेरे को कोई नेगेटिव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज नहीं मिल रहे,
Correct.
मेरे फैमिली को कोई नेगेटिव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज नहीं मिल रहे.
Correct.
So they would say that yes, maybe your lack of focus is not of such a degree that you personally want it to be addressed.
Right, right. Sir, actually, like Lancet, just for the audience, it's a very prestigious body that publishes really good scientific work. So, sir, according to one of the Lancet studies, uh, 40% ओवर डायग्नोसिस है एडीएचडी में। लाइक जब एडीएचडी को जब वो पहुंचे स्क्रीनिंग में तो almost 40% patients who were sent because they were somewhere diagnosed with ADHD, they did not even meet the criteria of ADHD. So, I think ये चीज़ें हम रोक सकते हैं अगर हम थोड़े से माइंडफुल रहें बिफोर लेबलिंग एंड ये समझ पाएं कि हाइपर एक्टिव होना और लैक ऑफ फोकस होना सिर्फ एडीएचडी नहीं होता है। देयर इज जस्ट अनलेस इट्स रियली impacting their life and the things that you said.
हाँ, मतलब इसमें फिर there are two schools of thought.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
One school of thought says this overdiagnosis, and the other school of thought says this underdiagnosis.
Oh, okay.
So the reason is because see, even if a child has a mild disorder of ADHD,
Okay.
right, and that is untreated and unidentified, the child is left to grow up on his own. So 10 years, 11 years, the child becomes defiant, oppositional defiance creeps in, 12, 13 years, teenage defiance creeps in, 15, 16, recklessness creeps in. So what one school of thought says is that if we do not identify it early enough, and if we do not take interventions in terms of parenting, schooling, the child becoming more aware of his own impulses, then the overall outcome 10 years from now may not be as good as we desired it to be. Right?
All right.
The overdiagnosis part says that because we are labeling everybody as ADHD and we are trying this generalized treatment protocols, कि सब में यही treatment लगा दो, सब में यही parenting skills लगा दो. When those do not work, then the child is left with a stigma of ADHD without having any positive consequence.
Right.
So there are both schools of thought. The parent has to be very sure that he does not get trapped
Exactly.
into one
Right.
school of thought.
Right.
So the formal evaluation plus open communication with the person evaluating the child. That is very important.
Right.
Why are you saying my child is not ADHD or why are you saying my child is ADHD? The
Right.
parent should be clear about that.
तो सर ये जो क्लैरिटी की बात ही हम कर रहे हैं बिकॉज हमने दोनों साइड की बातें करी हमने वो किया तो जस्ट बिफोर वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऐसे कौन से इन वन वर्ड इफ यू कैन पुट इट ऐसे कौन से रेड फ्लैग्स हैं जो पेरेंट्स को देखने चाहिए पर्टिकुलरली अगर उनको लगता है कि बच्चा शरारती है और ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं कर पाता है तो ऐसे कौन से रेड फ्लैग्स हैं कि हाँ ये हैं तो उसे पेरेंट को साइकाट्रिस्ट या साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास एक लेजिट मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल के पास लेके जाना चाहिए टू गेट इट स्क्रीन्ड वैसे कौन से रेड फ्लैग्स होंगे
सिंपल टर्म में कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ सिम्टम्स.
ओके
अगर आपको ये दिख रहा है कि आपका बच्चा स्कूल में बढ़िया परफॉर्म कर रहा है, टीचर्स से कोई शिकायत नहीं आ रही है, लेकिन घर में वो उत्पात मचा रहा है, तो देन 90% प्रॉब्लम घर में है, बच्चे में शायद नहीं है. ठीक है ना. पर अगर कंसिस्टेंटली सिम्टम्स सब एरिया में आ रहे हैं कि स्कूल से भी शिकायतें हैं, घर पे भी शिकायतें हैं, ट्यूशन वाले भी कह रहे हैं कि जी ये टिक के नहीं बैठ रहा है, हमारी बात नहीं सुनता है, देन ज़्यादा चांस है कि भाई वो हर फील्ड में जब हो रहा है तो बच्चा कंट्रोल ही नहीं कर पा रहा है. दैट मीन्स इट्स प्रोबेबली कि वो एडीएचडी का साइंस ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है.
ठीक है
Then it-
राइट